Supplies needed will be water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and one Alka-Seltzer tablet. First off, start by pouring room temperature water into your container until it's a quarter full. Step 2. Pour half a cup of vegetable oil into the glass of water and do not stir the mixture. Step 3. Drop about 10 to 15 food coloring droplets into the water and oil solution. Step 4. Gently drop one Alka-Seltzer tablet into the water and oil solution and watch the experiment work. Interested in how it works? Check our description below.